And as always, guys, you stay classy, stay positive, and have a good day. What's up, guys? It's your boy, Mr. Rockoff Johnson here with another video. And today is my last day in Vegas. Look at that view. I'm never getting tired of that. That's crazy. I actually got a chance to watch the sun come up this morning, so that was cool. Last night's shoot was a success. We got Bree right here. Of course, in case you guys haven't checked out any of the other videos, we did do a review on this. So yeah, make sure you check that out. We're just trying to get rid of the last little bit that we had before we leave. Our plane leaves tonight at 10. It's currently 10:10 right now. 10 p.m. is when the plane leaves, so it's 10 a.m. So yeah, we've got a good amount of hours, but before we have some stuff planned for the day too. So before we start off with this video, let's go on ahead and push our problems to the side over there and just enjoy the time that we have here in Vegas. Thank you guys for coming with me throughout this trip. This was the recharge that I needed. I'm not gonna even lie to you. But yeah, that John got the Rolls Royce grill on the front. I'm gone. Bliss. Okay. Alright. It's interesting. Not gonna lie to y'all, I forgot to record it, but that is KK and the zigzag. Yet again, we're high. I'm definitely as high as I was yesterday. By the way, scale of 1 to 10, she gave KK a 10 because she smokes. She a chain smoker. She smokes every day. She got a medical card, and she be smoking back to back. Unless weed gets her high enough. We did not chain smoke here since we've had KK. But I definitely give it a 10 out of 10 too. Keeps your high up. I can see how you can be productive with this, but if you sit in one spot too long, you're gonna zone out, because it definitely happened to me. Somebody was talking to me, I was zoned out, didn't even realize it. But yeah. So here's something to note when you come to Vegas. They have special places for Uber, rideshare, and like Lyft and to pick up. So that's where you have to go. You can't just go to like one part of the building and set your, GPS, and it'll come to you. For the most part, they're gonna come to to the spot that is at the Luxor. This is where we're at. We're just sitting here because the wind's just blowing outside, so we just sitting here. But yep. But we're about to go to, where we going?
The Sugar Factory.
All right.
My birthday brunch, cause I'm a real that need real drinks before I fly back home. Oh.
I don't know what the Sugar Factory is, but I'm gonna find out. That's what I'm doing back here, but oh wow, look at this fashion show, Las Vegas. Look at these steps. Here we go, Sugar Factory. This is where she wanted to come. Oh, that's the exit, but this is where she wanted to come for her birthday. That's cool. Look at it bubbling. Fire. That's fire. Fire. Oh! Congratulations to them. That's cool. By the way, our meal is gone. I ate everything.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. To you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Hey.
I'll get a little bag.
So fun fact, guys, if you guys want to see all the like nice luxurious cars, definitely come to this district, because where It's Sugar is right over there. Because
Sugar factory.
my fault, Sugar Factory. Because I've seen McLarens, Lamborghinis, Teslas, Audis. I mean, like all the new ones. All right, so we just walked into the mall here, and oh my gosh, they've got all kinds of stores everywhere. We heading down? All right. Crush Jesus, it's happy hour all day, add a shot. Yo, that's crazy to see. Again, we're from Baltimore. That's crazy for us to see. Oh, so look at this. This one, okay. So this is actually one of those virtual reality things that you can do in real life. Look, there's somebody doing it right now. That's cool. Whoa. See, that's shooting the arrows, but they're playing some game. They've got some gun. Mind twist. That's really cool. I'm not gonna lie to you. Definitely something I'm gonna want to do later when I come back. We don't have time to go, but oh my gosh, Shoe Palace. Oh my God. And then you got Champions right there. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I gotta get out of here. Uh-oh, race car. Oh yeah, that's a race car right there. C6, LS3. Okay. But all over here, they've got all kinds of cars. Mercedes, Teslas, Jaguar F-Type, SVR up there actually. That's the all-wheel drive one. Look at that, man. And then look over there, see the mountains. Nevada's a beautiful place. Oh, look at that. 2018 5.0. Right there. And then you've got an Alfa Romeo Giulia right there. That's pretty cool. And of course, Range Rover. I told you, there's cool cars all in this area, mostly because this is the crazy nice fashion mall, as you guys saw. But yeah, I thought that Mustang has stuff coming out the hood. It does. Look at that. Trying to see what it is. Intake. High ram intake. Okay.
Money there, but hey. But yeah, I like both.
Guys, kind of took a little longer than expected. Our Uber driver was great. Thank you for talking to us, Dave. He actually used to work at Ringling Brothers Circus, so he knew about Baltimore. Had plenty of stories to tell us. But we right now got to check out. Like, we have 10 minutes, and it is amazing here. There's a lot, and the elevator we use is broken. But I'm in my element, because now we can rush. Alright, so we got to get over there. We're behind that. That's so cool to see, but you guys see the incline? It's like, shoo. Alright, last look at the room real quick. There it is. Those are the mountains. That was our view. This was the premium bed. All of our stuff packed up and everything. And the beds were really comfortable. The only thing, I guess that would be like a pet peeve. Let me turn this off. You hear that? That goes on constantly. That's just the water circulating in there, but. And there's no shower door here if you care about that, but it's fine. I liked it personally. So yeah, we did like our stay here at the Luxor, so special thanks to Luxor. All right, there we go. Goodbye, room 1506. Whew. All right, let's go. All right, guys, we just checked out. So this is the last you're gonna see of the inside of the Luxor in the front main lobby. Yeah. And hello, Baltimore. Now we're back in the city, just waiting on the Uber.
Always love your phone. I'm back in the city.
And you pick up because you know you still want to be with me. But as I, stand in this, airport in BWI, and I reflect on the past couple of days, my first plane, my first flights I've ever had, me going to Vegas for, of course, the first time and experiencing Vegas and everything we did. I honestly have to admit, there is one thing I definitely missed. I missed my car! But yeah, guys, in case you can't see, I'm filming another video. But if you are not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Make sure you get the merch. Merch link is down in the description below. And as always, guys, you stay classy, stay positive, and have a good day. What is a car enthusiast? An individual that loves anything to do with cars and its counterparts, and one who can talk for hours about cars and not get tired of it.